Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Thank you for clicking onto today's video. Thank you for stopping by. Let me just let you know, just in case this is your first time visiting my channel, I have a baby and you may just see him around. He refuses to sleep, so we move. Okay, in today's video we will be discussing about copyright claim. Okay, for most of us creators, content creators, the first thing that comes to our mind when we have a copyright claim on our video is to delete that video, isn't it? But hey, hold on, before you delete that video, you need to hear me out. Twice I have gotten copyright claim on two of my videos. One of my video was a long form content and the other one was a YouTube shorts video. And the first thing that crossed my mind, okay, when I had first had experience with the copyright claim on the video, was to delete the video. But then I thought about all my efforts, all the effort I have put in place, filming, editing, uploading, and the views the video has gotten before I saw the copyright claim. I went to the search bar on YouTube and then I typed what to do when you have a copyright claim on your video or on a video, and then my eyes were opened to this knowledge which I'm about to impart to you. Now, the first thing to note is that there is a difference between copyright claim and copyright strike. If you have a copyright claim, you are safe. Sounds funny, right? You are safe because a copyright claim do not affect your video. It does not affect your channel. It does not affect the views gathered on that particular video as at the time the copyright claim is issued. But if you have a copyright strike, that will definitely impact on your channel. You can do a further research on copyright claim and copyright strike. So I'm going to further explain to you with screenshots, okay, on what to do when you have a copyright claim on your video. Go to your YouTube studio, then select the video with the copyright claim. Click on the video and then you will see this copyright detail information. Click see details to see the copyright detail. As you can see, my channel is not affected by this, so click on the impact as no impact, and then this message will pop up for either for you to replace song, mute song, or you dispute. That is the options available for me. So I chose to replace the song. You can mute the parts with that song that have the copyright claim, or you can replace it. Just choose the one you want. So I choose to replace the song, and once I'm done with the choice of song I'm replacing it with, it will tell me that my video editing is in progress and you can leave that page. Once you leave the page, go back to your YouTube studio. You will see the status of the video as in checking. Okay, it will tell you that it is checking. YouTube is checking the video, replacing that song. So once YouTube is done with replacing the song and everything is okay, you will no longer have the copyright claim on your video. So that is how to remove copyright claim from your video. You do not necessarily need to delete your video from YouTube. Follow these steps and come back to thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, leave comments, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.